copy of it. I've got extra copies up here, by all means. You might not have time to get it all done in class today, that's okay. Like I said, you got more than enough. But actually, let me grab one copy so I can follow along. So what was the surprising result that I was trying to test with this little assessment here? Do you remember? Oh, please. Do you remember the surprising result? JT? Right, on average, my friends have more friends than I do. This actually goes back years. I think I quoted the actual, down here, the Journal of Statistics Research, the footnote number 1 there, if you want to click through that link. That actually is the original study printed in, I think it was the 90s, why your friends have more friends than you do. This is pre-Facebook, why your friends have more friends than you do. And then some clever data miner from the present day said, hey, why your Facebook friends have more friends than you do? I'm like, well, that's fun. Let's take a look at it. So I randomly sampled, I think I got 60 of my friends on Facebook's friends numbers. There they are. So the first thing I had you do was to slap them into your lists, and hopefully you were able to get an average and a standard deviation. I'm going to do it with you. I've got the data in here myself. I think I stuck it in L3. Let me check. I did. I stuck it in L3. So I'm going to go ahead and do a stat, not edit, I'm going to do stat calc, L3. All right, here we go. I got an average of 470. Does this agree with you guys? With a standard deviation about 468. Does this agree with you guys? Yeah. Let's make sure we're all getting the same numbers. If we're not, I'm going to go back and check my data right now. I entered it very quickly about 5 minutes ago.
That's right.
So we're good. So very interesting, I thought. The average is almost the exact same number as a standard deviation. It is kind of wild, yes? Can you explain why? Can you explain why? It's not unusual to have a standard deviation like this or even bigger than the average. So take a look, just let your eyes wander through this data. Can you explain a large standard deviation? Be brave!
It's because the data is so skewed.
Look at it, look at it. You've got one person that has 5 friends, one person has 7, one person has 2,000. You got a 1946, you got a, they're all over the map. Yeah, they're all over the map. So I expect a large standard deviation. We can even do, if you want, we can do our cool little trick we did in class with the go to the high and low values, do that range divided by 4. We can even do that if the data is roughly bell-shaped, which I'm not sure it is yet. We'll come back to that. But regardless, I'm not that surprised by this monstrosity here. It's not that bad. It's not that bad, actually, compared to some of the Facebook accounts that I was kind of perusing through. Any questions thus far? Decent? Okay. You guys have luck getting the histogram. Okay, no luck. Okay, let's have some luck now. Did anybody finagle it once you had it? Messed around with it to change the good. Let's finagle. So first of all, to get the histogram, I want to pause the video here and restart it. That way there's a discrete video that